is for you guys to have a little think about everything you've been shown this morning, everything that's important, because when I walked in you were talking about thunderstorms. What we can do within this Met Office enclosure here is measure a lot of those various bits of the weather, of a particular type of light that we can't see, but it bounces off clouds. It fires, bang, off a mirror, hits the cloud, bounces back. Now, because we know that light travels pretty much in straight lines and rather quickly, what the weathers do. So that's how we measure clouds. Does that answer your question? Not quite the right answer. I don't think that one's a bursting type, personally, do you?
Is that as scientific as it gets?
Yeah, a bursting type is not one of these flat, boring grey ones, is it? We know that. Fluffy ones burst, don't they? It was you, wasn't it?
How do you measure
Wind? Ah! One more. It was you.
Can you predict how much rain is
Yeah, you can. You can see the wind rising and you can see the gusts. You know, obviously gusts are the bits that will blow your house off. But yeah, absolutely. Right, now there's another question. We need to move on because time is short, and I think there was somebody over here that had their hand up really, was it you?
Tell us about it.
I've learnt today that it takes 12-hour shifts to forecast the weather. So they'll take like one from like 7:30 at night to 7:30 in the morning, and then it'll be 7:30 in the morning to 7:30 at night. What concerns me most about the environment is that at some places there's not enough recycling facilities, so people can't recycle if they want to, whereas at other places there's quite a few and people aren't being more responsible to try and recycle as much as they can. It makes it hotter and it can affect all the temperatures and the environments and the ecosystems for all the animals, so we need to be aware of not just ourselves. I think all local communities should have representatives going to schools, and posters should go up so that children and adults are both aware of the situation. Today is the 15th of October 2060. I'm Caroline Cam, providing the weather forecast for Birmingham and the West Midlands. Today it is looking very hot. Expect Birmingham and the whole region to feel the sun shining at 44 degrees at midday. But it's all changed tomorrow with strong winds and turning into severe 50 miles per hour gales and flash flooding expected. Prepare for at least 70 millimetres of rain across Birmingham and make sure you have your waterproofs on. Who knows what we can expect by the weekend, but watch out for a severe weather warning as thunderstorms and snow are both possible. That's it from me, Caroline, and have a good evening.
I'm going to just stop over there, just... Sorry?
Yeah. So persuade them not to cut down the apples.
Places where you can travel and drink
Stop deforestation. I think we should make a law that you're not allowed to cut down trees unless there are no. Also, in the middle of the oceans, there's.
Some more, and they're now deciding they're going to use Wembley Stadium.
They spent like billions on the game.
Right, we've got two more. Guys. Two more.
Go on, Jane.
That's well understood in our big schools.
He doesn't like the flavour of
reducing the amount we travel is really important because that's.
I've got an example.
And then finally, we last time.
Well, we're here at the Met Office today as part of British Gas's Generation Green programme. We brought 22 kids from our programme, which is now running in 9,500 schools across the UK. It's a fantastic programme to get children really engaged in energy efficiency, climate change and all the issues around renewable and recycling and sustainable energy. As this part of this particular process here, we're focusing on climate change and renewable energy, and we're tasking the kids to go away and look at policies that can really help make a significant change in the way that we address those issues. Out of today's session, we hope to achieve what we believe will be some very interesting policies which the kids have developed. These kids are very bright, they've really got a passion for the green agenda, and we're really hoping that through this particular scheme we'll get some very interesting ideas that we can present back to policymakers within government. Well, the Generation Green programme is there to empower and engage children through a free educational resource. We've currently got 9,500 schools actually running Generation Green throughout the UK. That represents around 4 million children, so it's a fantastic free resource that they can download. Teachers can download school plans, that they can save to actually buy renewable products and services and other types of green gadgets for their school, and it really is a great way of empowering them and getting them to use and think about how they use energy within their school and how they can save energy within their school.